Okay, everybody, I think all of you are able to hear me. Okay, my name is Madhu. Last name is Tummala, Madhu Tummala. I'm a PMP and CSC certified person. I was the founder of Get Software Services Inc. And I am running this institution here in Canada. My basic educational qualification is mechanical engineering. I'm a BA mechanical engineer. I did a PG diploma in materials management. I have done so many certifications from other organizations like PMP, Project Management Professional, and I did a certified software test engineer from Quality Assurance Institute. I was also certified on QTP. I did a 6 months certification course from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. I also did another 6 months certification course from IISc Bangalore. I think it is a blurred. 1 second. I was trained on Six Sigma Green Belt. Okay, guys, it looks like it's first day, right? So many people are not able to log into the class. 1 second, please hold for a moment. Hello, Madhu here. Sorry guys, it looks like that many people are facing issue to log into the class. Some people are saying that, oh, I am not able to log in because of some other reasons. You know, I strongly recommend you all people to join before 9. If you call me after 9, I cannot be able to help you. Just please try to log in before 9 p.m. Eastern time. If that is the case, I can be able to help you. So my objective is that to run the class on time. You know, we will start the class on time without fail. Exactly, I start at 9 and stop at 10:15. So if we are getting delayed, we cannot be able to move further. So please try to join every day by 8:45 Eastern time. I was trained on Six Sigma Green Belt. Let us continue to my certification area. I have experience in different domains. I have total 14 years of software testing experience. Out of that, 6 years I have worked in India and USA 6 years and in Canada 2 years. I have the domain experience in healthcare, supply management, supply chain management, e-commerce, pharma, B2B, human resources, telecom, insurance, investment, and finance. Currently, I am located at Toronto City. However, you know, majority of the class people are from United States. We have around 10 people are from Canada. Remaining all people are from US only. In last 14 years, I have conducted more than 200 batches for individuals and corporates in multiple areas like QA, BA, project management professional. I have overall 20 years of experience. Teaching experience is 20 years. I have 2 years of non-IT experience and software testing experience 14 years. Okay, this is about me. Let us go through the course content and remaining other details. I'm just starting this PowerPoint presentation. Any questions so far? Now, if you have any questions anytime, you can send me chat message. Here you have chat message is available. Anytime, just send it. I can be able to answer your question. Okay, I know that there are so many questions are there for you. Please bear with me for another 20 minutes. Everything will be explained even if you won't ask that question. You know, still, if you have any questions, please ask me those questions. Okay, let us see about course duration. Course duration is 5 weeks. We'll have 5 weeks. We will conduct the classes in 5 weeks. There are 2 separate courses are there. One is that for QA manual testing course. Manual testing course contains all manual testing concepts, plus quality center, QuickTest Professional, load runner, basics of the Unix and basics of the SQL are part of the course. So manual testing class will happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, 4 days a week. 4 days a week we will have manual testing classes. We have one more course for automation testing. This is for advanced QTP and VB scripting classes. This course will happen on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I recommend all of the people to complete both the courses for better marketability. If you wanted to have more information, it is strongly recommended to go through both the courses. However, I am giving both courses at same price. If you enroll for one course, other course is free. It is not required to pay for separate both the courses. So let me to scroll down to next slide. We have 2 tracks are there. One is that normal track and fast track. Let us see what is normal track. I recommend normal track for beginners or people who are not having any IT background. If you have no IT background, I suggest to go with normal track. Normal track duration is 10 weeks. 10 weeks is the normal track duration. Where in normal track, I recommend to start with manual testing classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Once we complete the manual testing classes, then go for QTP basics and advanced classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So here manual testing classes 5 weeks and advanced QTP 5 weeks. Total 5 plus 5, 10 weeks is the duration of the course. For people who wanted to start, who wanted to complete the course leisurely, so I recommend to go with normal track. If you are in a hurry to complete the course, go with fast track. This course duration is 5 weeks. It includes manual testing classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, plus QTP basics and advanced classes on remaining days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So this is the course structure. Here, any question about normal track and fast track? Many people have this question. I told all of you people that I will explain this in the class. Prashanti, here you are starting with both courses simultaneously. Today is the start date. Today is the start date for both courses, both tracks. It goes like this. Here I have 10 weeks time. So today is week 1 and this is week 5 and week 10. Today we are starting both the courses. So here, if you are in a normal track, what I suggest you is that first 5 weeks attend only the manual testing classes. If you are in a normal track, first 5 weeks just attend the manual testing classes on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. After completing the 5 weeks, continue with the advanced QTP classes. Advanced QTP classes you can attend from week 5 on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, this is a normal track. If you are the fast track, if you wanted to go with fast track, attend classes every day. If you attend every day, within 5 weeks you can be able to finish. There is a fast track. In case if you miss any class, just let me know. I can send you the recorded class. Due to some reason, 2 days I want to go on vacation or I'm not feeling well, then ask me to send the recorded class. I can send you the recorded class, or you can repeat the same class in the next batch also. Multiple batches, you can repeat the classes. You need not to pay anything for repetition. And I can send the everyday class record. If you need it, if you want me to send everyday class record, I can send it. I'm recording the classes every day. This is only for people who requested me to send the record. I can send that one. You can play back due to some reason. Okay, I have attended the class, but half an hour, due to some reason, my internet is down. Then no problem. You ask me to send the class record. Okay, so I think all of you are clear with what is meant by normal track and fast track. Okay, let us move to the next slide. Oh, why? Okay, we have every day 75 minutes class is there. Class timings just as here I am mentioning. Every day we have 75 minutes class at 9 p.m. Eastern time, or Central time 8 p.m. or Mountain time 7, Eastern time 9, or Chicago time 8, Denver time 7, and LA time 6. Daily 75 minutes class will be there. No break at all. I will speak continuously. I will not give any single minute break. Okay, I'm going to the next slide. What happened to get the next slide? It is taking so much time. I think oh, okay, it came up. So for better audio, I recommend you to dial to conference number. Here you have conference number is available. Due to some reason, anytime if you are not able to hear me, please dial to this conference number. The USA people, please call to this number, and Canada people, you can call to this number. Please enter this access code. If you use landline and dial to conference number for better audio. Okay, and I recommend to connect your laptop with wire instead of using a wireless laptop. I know that all of you have wireless laptops, but for better quality of screen, you please use the laptop with wire. Okay, what about material? You will receive running notes and material daily by email. So because I am sending by email to in bulk, more than 40 people, I will send the mail. So your email provider may treat that is a spam mail, so that may go to your spam folder. So please add my email ID to your spam folder, my contact list, so that it will not go to spam filter. Okay, if you have any questions anytime, you can call me at the numbers whatever I have given. USA people, please call to this number, and Canada people, you can call to this number. And you can send me email at info@getsoftwareservices.com. I can be able to return your queries within 8 hours time. You can find more details about course. You can visit this website. Okay, what other services I can provide you? What other details, what other help you can get from me is that first one is that one-on-one homework review. Now, I give a lot of exercises and assignments to all of you people, and the most important exercise is that writing of the test cases. So many people fail. Many new people, beginners of the software testing team, software testing course participants fail to write the good test cases. So I provide you this one-on-one homework review. That means I will set up schedule the time with you for homework review during weekend, and I can review your homework through GoTo Training. Directly you can log on to the GoTo Training. I can review and give my comments for your homework. Every day I will give you a lot of homework and exercises or assignments. You can do lab practicals by accessing my computer remotely, but there is some inconveniences there to access my computer from your home. Remote lab access, this facility, treat this as a standby, but don't depend 100% on this one because of inconvenience for you. Sometimes you may not be able to log on to the lab if my lab machine is already occupied by somebody else. So you need to schedule the time. You need to schedule the time to do the lab access. This is just a standby only, but it is not 100%. I cannot give you assurance about the this one lab access. But my machines are available 24/7. Night time also they are available because of time zone difference. Many people can be able to use my lab for doing the practicals. I will do resume walkthrough to all of you people. I will send sample resumes and I will help you what kind of keywords are required to get the interview call. I will also help you with a separate session about how to get the interview calls, how to market your resumes. I will conduct mock interviews to all of you people separately, one-on-one basis. One-on-one basis, if you are ready with your subject, just let me know for mock interviews. Recorded classes sharing. In case if you miss any recorded classes, I can record and send you on a daily basis. Or if you miss anything, you can rejoin the classes. Due to some reason, if you are not able to understand any part of the course, you can rejoin and repeat the entire class. If required multiple times, you can do it. Resume marketing tips I will provide you in a separate class, not in the regular classes. For many people, around 50 people, I will conduct a resume walkthrough, resume marketing tips. This will help you to how to answer recruiter calls and how to market yourself. I will also provide you the placement assistance for some people. I will discuss with this with you separately on one-on-one basis. I will also provide you on-job support in case if you are stuck up at our workplace, you need some support. Yes, I will help you, but at the same time, I cannot help you. I cannot give you spoon feeding. Definitely, I can be able to help you with at our work. But so far, nobody called me. In last 7 years, nobody called me for on-job support. Everybody is able to perform well after completing this course. These are all part of the course package. Many add-ons are there. Okay. Any question about this one? This slide, any question? Okay, let us go to next one. Let us see how the job market. There are more than 85% jobs are there in the manual testing, and 13% jobs are there in the automation testing. We have in performance testing, around 2% jobs are there in the performance testing. So majority people try to go to the manual testing jobs only. If that is the case, part 1 of my course is enough. Manual testing course. There are 2 parts are there in the course, right? First part is enough if you are aiming for manual testing course. If you are aiming for automation testing, second part is required. So this is only for, again in automation testing, this second part concentrates on QTP automation testing only. I recommend to complete both the courses for maximum hands-on experience in software testing. Both courses are must. Both courses you can be able to complete within 5 weeks. 5 weeks means around 44 hours. Every day we have 75 minutes class, right? 75 minutes class per day multiplied by 5 weeks, 5 weeks and 7 days a week. Every day we have the class. So if you calculate this, it is coming to 44 hours. Total course duration is 44 hours. Okay. There are so many tools are in the market. What tools we will be learning? We will be learning multiple varieties of the tools like test management tools. For a test management tool, we will be learning quality center. Majority companies are using the quality center. Around 70% of the companies are using the quality center. So let us concentrate on the market leaders, not other tools. If you know this tool, yes, you can be able to learn other tools like QuickTest, QA Complete. All those tools are similar. So let us learn quality center from test management tool. For defect tracking tools also, there are so many tools. So quality center we will be learning from for defect tracking also. For functionality testing, we will be learning QTP because it's a market share. Market share of QTP is 70%. If you know QTP, other tools are easy, like Rational Robot or Silk and other tools are easy. For performance testing, we will be learning basics from LoadRunner because of its market share. Its market share is 70%. If you know this one, Silk Performer, Rational Load, other tools are similar. So we will be learning quality center. We will learn quality center, QTP, and LoadRunner as part of our course. Okay, any question about this one? Okay, great. You can type the message here, chat message. I can be able to answer your queries. Okay, I'm moving to next slide. Who is eligible to work as a QA? I am getting this question very often by so many people. Oh, I am not from non-IT background. Can I do it? Am I fit for this one? Okay. Yes, if you have certain qualities. If you have certain qualities, yes, you are eligible to work as a QA even from non-IT background. Personally, my background is I am from non-IT background. I am a mechanical engineer. I moved into software testing almost 14 years ago, and I am working in software testing successfully in last 14 years. So if you have out-of-box thinking attitude, yes, we can do attitude. If you are open to learn new technologies, update the skills continuously. If you are trained on database or any programming language, you are eligible to work in QA. Okay. So if you are particularly from non-IT background, I recommend to do some certifications. Even if you are from IT background, I assume that you have a master's degree in computer science. Still, I recommend to do these certifications. Because why certification is required? For branding. If you are a certified software test engineer, everybody likes you. You will enhance your knowledge. You will have better knowledge on the subject. So I recommend everybody to do some certification. Now there are multiple certifications are available. One is from Quality Assurance Institute. QA is offering certifications like certified software tester or many other certifications are available. I will explain those certification details once again in future classes. Just temporarily I am giving this URL to do the certification. Just visit this website and try to find out what kind of certification you wanted to do. You see, some people like to do this ISTQB certification. ISTQB means International Software Testing Qualifications Board. This is based in UK. This is a UK based organization, whereas this is a US based organization. QA is United States based one. This is in Florida, Orlando, Florida, whereas this is in UK. Both certifications are recognized throughout the world. Both certifications you can write through online. Through online you can write. Here Sapna is asking to send this PowerPoint presentation by email. Definitely I will share this PowerPoint presentation and recorded video also to all the people. People who are all here in the meeting today, everybody will receive it. It is not required to write anything. You see here, one thing I would like to let you know that whatever the files I open on my computer, whatever I type in the running notes, in the notepad, normally I write a lot of information in future classes. All the running notes, all the material, whatever I open, everything you will receive. No need to write anything. Just if you wanted to write some shortcut notes, yes, you can do it. Some people are interested to write some notes. Yeah, personally I like to write my own points. I recommend to do that one, but however, don't worry, if you see something, some file here, 100% you will receive that by email after the class within 10 minutes. Okay, all certifications are same, yes and no answers are there. All universities are giving the certificate, degrees, right? So many universities are giving degrees. So all are equivalent, almost similar. Is that university is recognized or not? That's what we need to understand. If university is recognized, yes, go ahead and do the course, whatever you want. Is it internationally recognized? That we need to think about. Yes, if university certificate is recognized internationally, yes, we can do that course. So all are same. I can say that all are equivalent certifications. These two organizations are recognized throughout the world. So I say that go ahead and do certification from any one of them. I did a CST certification from QA in year 2003. 2003 I did that one. Certified, in those days it was called as a Certified Software Test Engineer. Now they are saying that Certified Software Tester. These two are for manual testing only. These are for manual testing. No tools. Tools are not discussed in this one. Why we need to do the certification? Just for better marketability, better billing rate, better knowledge, enhanced knowledge. You wanted to prove yourself, as a best candidate in the interview, or to get shortlisting of your resume. It is nice to have certificate. Of course, the knowledge is required to clear the interview. But to get the interview call, nice to have certification, but it is not mandatory. It is not mandatory to have the certification, but nice to have. So actually you can go to Prometric Center and write the certification. You know what is meant by Prometric Center, right? Okay, let me to type that. Let me to start my running notes. 1 second. I have to start the running notes because it is a time. 1 second. Why? Okay. Okay. Here I am opening my running notes. Okay. So general information is given in the running notes, saying that every day you need to register by using the link in the every day. Please note that by using this link every day you need to register. Without registration you cannot be able to log in. This is there in your running notes. Link already given this one here. Please try to join 15 minutes prior to the scheduled time. Otherwise, if you call me after 9 p.m., I cannot be able to answer your call. Okay, so general information is here. Today is normally I write the running notes along with the date. Today is September 24th. So go to Prometric Center to write the certification. It could be any certification. Normally Prometric Center is conducting certification, online exams for so many things like TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, medical entrances, so many things they are conducting. Just find out your nearest Prometric Center, register for that certification, pay the fees, and you can be able to write the test. And one more certification is that for the tools, if you wanted to write the certification for QTP or Quality Center or Load Runner, go and write certificate directly from HP. HP is the only company is offering certifications for QTP and Quality Center. You can get the details from this URL. I will be sending this PowerPoint presentation, so it is not required to write any URL. Yeah, this also you can write from the Prometric Center. Okay, and next question is that, how I get the QA job opportunity. There are multiple ways are there to get the QA job opportunity. One is that through referrals. Referrals work a lot. If I know somebody, if I refer it, it's easy to get the job for that person. So referrals always work a lot for you, and you can post the resume in online job portals, or you can apply jobs by doing job search. Go to some job sites like dice.com or monster.com, monster.canada, or Workopolis, Indeed. So many websites are available. We will discuss job hunt in a separate class. For this one slide, I need 1 hour, more than 1 hour time to explain you this one. We will be discussing in detail about this slide later. You can associate with some consulting companies to get the job, or you can get help from new immigrant help centers. This is also another way of getting the job. Or you can directly apply to companies in their website. So we will discuss this later in future. Okay. Okay. Any questions so far? No questions. Could you suggest some consultants, please? Parth is asking some consultants. Okay, sure. Definitely, we will discuss those things in a separate class. Parth, we have more than 1 hour class for that one. We will definitely discuss. Okay, Ravi is asking for certification. Do you need a certain experience? Okay, for ISTQB, it is not required to have any experience. For here ISTQB certification is there, no experience is required. There are multiple levels of the certificates are available. In QA also, so there are some levels are there. Beginners, intermediate, and expert kind of levels are there in both the organization. If you are writing beginner certification, yes, no experience is required. So something is better than nothing. Write some beginner certification. That is also fine. Beginner certification is also fine. No problem. If you want to write HP certification, experience is not required. HP certification for QTP, Quality Center, Load Runner, no. Okay, any other questions? Here one question from Shaktivel. For certification, is there any separate guidebooks? Yes, Shaktivel. I will be sending you some of the material for certification today. Okay, let me to open my my material dump. I will be sending you some of the information for certification to all of you people. Okay, HP QTP certification details are available in one of the PDF file. This is the exam preparation guide is there. Similarly, for quality center, one more exam preparation guide is there. And if you wanted to prepare for some certifications from QA or ISTQB, they will send you the material. Once you register for the class, once you register for the certification, they will send you the preparation guide. No separate books are not required. Separate books are not required. But however, let me to suggest you one book here. For people who want, all of you people wanted to settle in software testing, right? So I suggest you to purchase or borrow book somewhere from your library. Book name is that Software Engineering. Other name is that Pressman. This book, this is the most honored book, and in many universities this is the prescribed textbook. This is very easy to learn from this book. This is available for purchase in Amazon.com, or this is available for borrow in our county libraries. All county libraries it is available, or in your city libraries. People who are in Canada, check in our city library, it is available. And I think it is also available in online also. Any edition is fine, If you find 4th edition, 5th edition, 6th edition, anything is fine. Because in software engineering entire book you will not study. There are around 150 pages from software testing. This is a very good book, but software testing around 150 pages are there. Just to go through those pages, this is enough for you to gain knowledge on software testing. In addition to this book, just follow the guidelines whatever I provide you on a daily basis. I will give you a lot of homework on a daily basis, and I give you some schedule for the preparation. Okay, let me to explain you schedule for preparation. Schedule for preparation. How many number of hours I need to prepare? This is a most frequently asked questions from many of you guys. Oh, how much time I need to spend? I can send that if you are able to spend minimum of 200 hours. Yes, you are good to face client interview. Minimum 200 hours preparation is required. Okay, what topics I need to prepare? How many number of hours I need to spend on each topic? That is another question. Okay, I will send you one breakup to all of you people. After the class, you will receive this material. Here I have given some breakup for your preparation. Here I have listed so many topics in this Excel sheet. For example, manual testing, I am asking to study SDLC for 8 hours. Estimated study hours is 8 hours. Agile methodology, study 3 hours. Okay, process like ISO, CMM, etc. study for 8 hours. Spend 8 hours for quality, 18 hours for quality center. So like this, if you sum up, it is coming up to around 200 hours. Every day you need to track how many hours you have studied. Okay, for example, you study 2 hours for SDLC. Agile methodology I studied 1 hour. Software metrics I studied 1 hour. QTP I studied for 5 hours. So total number of hours studied by me so far is 9 hours only. Is it make sense to expect a job just by studying 9 hours? Is this time is enough? 9 hours time. Yes, sir. No, no. I would like to make sure that you are not sleeping here. Okay, no, right? So 9 out of 200 is not correct. Now, is it make sense that to blame that, oh, I attended that training, but I did not get a job? No, you need to work hard, right? See, estimated time is 200 hours, but I did not study, I did not spend my time. How can I expect a job? This is, by using this estimation, if you follow on a daily basis, definitely I can say that it is easy to clear the client interview. Testing is not easy, but let us make it easy. If it is easy, why companies will pay $40 per hour for you? If you go to Walmart, they pay just $10 for 12 hours if you work in a Walmart billing counter, right? If you are looking for more money, you need to study hard. You need to put more effort. Nothing comes free. Okay, in this scenario, I am asking you one question now. Assume that if you study 1 hour per day, 1 hour per day you are able to spend because of many reasons saying that, hey, I am working part time. Okay, I have kids, I need to take care of kids, and I wanted to spend just 1 hour per day. Could you tell me how many days time is required to face the client interview? How many days time is required for you to face client interview? 200 days, right? Do you agree? All of you agree with this one? No, it takes infinite number of the days. You will never face the client interview. I can say that if you spend 1 hour per day, you will never face it. Why? Oh, okay. Let us see that. Why you will not face the client interview? You see, I have 200 days cycle here. This is day 1 and this is day 200. By the time I come to here, I will forget whatever I studied on day 1. Day 1, whatever I studied, is gone because it's already 6 months time passed. On 180th day, that means after 6 months, I will forget. I will not be able to recap whatever I studied. I need to repeat it. It will go into infinite loop. You will never face the client interview. So 1 hour per day will not work. So just before joining the course, what I request you, all of you people, is that can I spend sufficient time for this course? Am I able to spend at least 4 or 5 hours per day? If you are able to spend 4 or 5 hours per day, there is a good amount, good time. 4 hours time is required minimum, 4 to 5 hours. If you are able to spend 4 to 5 hours time per day, you can be able to complete the course within 2 months. 2 months is the reasonable time for any course or any academics exams. Any one of you studied every day in your college or in your school? Every day? Anybody studied? No, I didn't study. Just I studied 1 month, last 1 month only. So 1 or 2 months works great. If you study if you have 1 year plan, it will never work. Yeah, Pushpa is asking, is it enough to study one topic per day? Okay, whatever the homework I give you on a daily basis, whatever the topics I cover, just complete them on that day, you are good. So course will be completed in 5 weeks, right? Course will be completed in 5 weeks. I expect you to complete syllabus as per the parallel to my course. In case if you are not able to complete the course, just no problem. Take another 5 weeks. 5 plus 5, 10 weeks is the maximum time to face the client interview. Now repeat the course. After 5 weeks, you repeat the course once again. If you require it, complete in fast track and complete once again do one more fast track. So 2 times go through the course and complete the course within 2 months. Okay. Okay, any questions, anybody so far? What versions of the QTP Quality Center we will be using? We will be using the latest version, QTP 11 we will be using, Quality Center 11. These two are most latest versions available in the market. Load Runner is the 11.5 is available in the market. So my main focus is that to empower you with manual testing first. Now weekends we have automation classes. QTP 11 advanced basic class. In this we will be learning all the QTP automation classes concepts plus visual basic scripting. VB scripting, whatever is required to manage as a QTP automation engineer, I will be explaining this VB scripting part. Now everything is not required to learn for QTP automation. VB scripting, concern to VB scripting, it is not required to learn everything. Just 20 commands are enough to manage your job with QTP automation. We made QTP easy for you. I made QA and QTP made easy for you. Here one question from Minal. Minal is asking, I heard about Windrunner. Do you provide some info on that? Okay, sure, definitely. What is Windrunner? Okay, because you asked me this question, I am explaining. Windrunner is no more. It is a dead tool. End of the life is announced for Windrunner. Mercury was the original company who developed this tool, and this tool is not in market. Actually, Mercury itself announced the end of the life. 10 years ago, they stopped selling. Almost not 10 years, sorry, 5 years ago. 5 years ago, they announced the end of the life. That means no more Mercury, no more Windrunner tool, and they will not support for any Windrunner issues. Actually, Mercury company was acquired by HP. HP acquired Mercury company. There no more Mercury also. Company itself it is not there. Where is Windrunner? So all the people who bought the Windrunner, those people were given free QTP. Free QTP was given to all Windrunner customers. So all companies moved to QTP. So Windrunner is not required. If you are still seeing Windrunner in the job requirement, means that is not correct. This is a copy paste problem in the job requirement by your HR people. Sometimes HR people will do copy pasting. So copy pasting of the job requirement, whatever is available in their database. That's why you see sometimes Windrunner job. But reality in market, I can say that there are 0% of the jobs are available for Windrunner. No more jobs for Windrunner. It is not required to learn outdated technology. Okay, Minal. Here two more questions. Let me to come from these questions. First one is Gopal is asking, can we QTP to test all different browsers? Yes, Gopal, QTP is capable of supporting multiple browsers, but we need to install some add-ins. Okay, we will discuss more about this multi-browsers supporting in future classes in QTP automation. Okay, Sapna is asking, do you have a spreadsheet to show what you cover on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday? Okay, it's a good question, Sapna. I will show you that one. Data-driven testing, yes, Gopal. That is a part of data-driven testing is a part of advanced QTP. Let me to show you what we will be discussing in next 5 weeks. Both normal track and fast track. what topics we will be discussing. Let us talk about the topics whatever we discuss on weekdays. Weekdays means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Monday, Tuesday and Thursday. Manual testing we will be discussing on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Okay, here is the detailed page. Okay, I will come back to your question. Let me explain this. Here we will discuss about project management rules, test management rules, SDLC, Agile, RAP, test life cycle, defect life cycle. Now, so many things are there in manual testing. I think all of you have received this course information. If any one of you didn't receive it, I will resend this document to all of you people after the class. It is not required to write down anything. Definitely, I will attach all the files and send you email after the class. It is not required to write down anything. So here, breakup, the details of the course is given here. And in the manual testing itself, we will be learning about quality center tool also. Now, during weekdays, we will be learning quality center tool. And we will also learn about load runner basics in weekdays. And we will also learn about few basics about Unix. Unix, sorry, here some spelling mistake. This is no access. Unix and basic command. Unix and yeah, I will provide you Unix lab also. Access means you can be able to log on to my lab for doing the Unix practical. Because many of you are not able to install Unix on your computer, right? So I can provide you Unix machine for practical. That means from your home you can be able to log on to my lab for doing the practicals on Unix or SQL or quality center, QTP or load runner. All the softwares you can be able to practice. Or you can install on your home computer. That is also fine. Okay, I will show QTP, everything I will show you. 1 second, I will be coming back. I will come to that one. Here, Unix shell scripting, Menal, I will not explain you this one. I recommend you one book for that one. If you need, if you wanted to learn Unix shell scripting, I can refer you to some other best trainer. If anybody wanted to know SQL commands in detail, I can refer you to some other person. Unix or C language or any basics of the computer or SQL, I will not teach. Those are all basic things. I am treating testing as a specialization. If anybody need some special training on Unix, SQL or C language or something else, you have opportunity, you can contact me once again separately by email. I can send you the contact information of the trainer. You can directly talk to the trainer and you will get some additional training if you require. Okay, in this I already given, I think we discussed these things. Let me to open QTP course. What we discussed in advanced QTP course. Okay, so here we will be discussing about advanced QTP with VB scripting. Okay, so many topics are available in this advanced QTP. So if you wanted to really settle as automation engineer, then only this course is required. Otherwise, it is not required. As I said, we have around 85% jobs are there in the manual testing. So if you want to settle as a manual tester, this is not required. Whatever I am showing you, this is not required. But if you want to capture automation market, around 13% jobs are there in the automation testing. Yes, this is required. And around 2% jobs are there in the performance testing. That means load testing. We have another 2% jobs are available. There are so many things are there in automation testing. We will be learning these automation advanced QTP concepts along with Visual Basic scripting. in our weekend classes. Weekends means Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you will be learning these advanced QTP classes. I will send this document to all of you people. You can go through this one once again. There is no billing difference, Kate. Actually, I am charging for only one course, but the second course is free for you. So anybody wanted to enroll for one course, there is enough. Second course, get the advantage from the second course. How to reserve the lab schedule? Question from Charan. Okay, I will explain you that, Charan, one second. Kate asking one question. I mean, for us, when we go to the job. Oh, okay. So you are asking about billing. How much salary I can expect? Okay, I am answering this one. How much salary I can expect for manual testing? Okay. So billing wise, both in Canada and USA, there is same rate for a manual tester. Again, this depends on your visa status. If you are a PR holder, or that means if you are a citizen, and because we have so many people are here, that's why I am saying this one. And citizen or green PR holder, that means a green card holder, you have very good chances to get the more billing rate. I can say that around you can expect around $40 per hour for an average tester. Person who has 5 years of experience approximately, this person can be able to get around $40 per hour. Or otherwise, if you are going for a full-time employment, minimum salary is $70,000 per year. If it is a full-time, right? Full-time means you have a lot of benefits, like you may get some bonus also. You may have medical insurance. You may have paid vacation, sick week plus sick leave, and you may also have 401k. So many other things are also available. So this is for manual tester. If it is an automation tester, if your job title is QTP automation engineer, whether it is a TN visa or PA, okay, I would like me to come to that one. If you, okay, these are all EAD, TN visa, one more visa, E4, is that right, E4? What is that, ROPA? ROPA, could you help me, what is the visa type for Australia? Australians, E3, okay, E3, okay. E3 visa, this is a same rate, almost, this is approximately you will get like this. Only the problem with H1B. H1B problem is that your employer already decided what salary your employer wanted to give you. This is it depends on your visa sponsor. Now here we have so many people from the multiple countries in the class. Few people are from UK, few people from Canada, USA, and Australia also there. So that's the reason I have covered almost all visa statuses. Actually, jobs are not available if you have no experience. Okay, it's nice to have experience. Otherwise, it's difficult to get into software testing. One second, guys. Could you hold for a moment? I think some people trying to join now. One second. Okay, so again, please note that time difference. Some of you are in different time zones. So some people are in central mountain time and they are trying to join now. They are thinking that it's 9 now. Central time people, they are trying to join now. So please make sure that you join as per Eastern time 9 p.m. 401k is similar to RRSP in Canada. RRSP in Canada. It's a kind of retirement planning. If you wanted to save money for retirement, invest in 401k or RRSP, which is sponsored by your employer. By the way, I'm a financial planner also. If anybody needs that help, I can be able to provide you that one. That is a separate topic. We can discuss that later if you need that one. Okay, here multiple queries. Sorry, I jumped some of them. Let me to come from top. Okay, fresher, no jobs are available for freshers. We have jobs available only for experienced people. Rima is asking if no prior experience, what we have to do. Okay, Rima, please call me separately for this one. I will explain you that one. If anybody have separate queries, please call me for personal information. Okay, yes, definitely full time or part time or contract, anything, background check is must. Okay, Gopal, I am coming to this question. QTP automation engineer, how much salary you can expect? QTP automation, I can say the $50 per hour, and full time around $80,000 per hour, $80,000 per year. For 5 years experience with QTP automation engineer. Okay, any other questions here? Okay, let us talk about our homework. Today I would like to give you first day homework, day 1 homework. Okay, what homework you have to do? Here I have given in the PowerPoint presentation some website. I am copy pasting this in the running notes. I will send the running notes to all of you people. Already I have started giving you the homework. Just I will copy paste this homework in my browser. Just URL. This is softwareqatest.com website. 1 second, it is still working. Softwareqatest.com. Here we have so many frequently asked questions are there in this website. Here frequent asked questions 1, frequent asked questions 2, and less frequently asked questions. So all the question and answers are available in the same pages. For example, what is software quality assurance is the question. Here is the answer. Question and answers are available in the same page. There are many question and answers are available. I recommend you to go through all the question and answers. You may not understand everything, whatever is available in these frequent asked questions. Frequent asked questions 1, 2, and less frequent asked questions. You may not understand everything, but still, please try to study everything. We will be discussing all the question and answers in next 5 weeks classes. We will definitely go through every question and answer. Why am I giving you homework today? Because I wanted to give you some bird's view picture, high level view about what we will be discussing in future classes. QA is not so tough. if you follow systematically. Otherwise, QA is very difficult item. If you have proper guidance, it is easy to clear software QA testing job. So please go through all the question and answers, whatever is given in this one. I can say that at least 50% questions you can get in the interview from this website. I can guarantee that one. 50%. Half of the questions are leaked for you. Half of the questions you can get from frequently asked questions 1, 2 and less frequently asked questions. Is it a good deal of having the leaked questions? No, QA subject is very limited. It's not like development. If you are a Java developer, you need to work hard, unlimited Java. You need to learn so many things. Every day you need to upgrade the subject. But software testing is not like this. 15 years ago, whatever I learned in software testing, almost same thing is still here. I need not to upgrade that one. Whereas in development, .NET or C# or Java, every day new things are coming up. It's difficult to upgrade development activities. This is the easiest way to get into the software, get into the IT. Software testing is the easy tool to get into IT market compared to development. At the same time, testing is not easy. We need to work hard, particularly for non-IT background people. If you are from non-IT background, yes, more work is required. If you have anybody in your family who is working in IT field, it is added advantage for you. You ask your family member to sit next to you every day and ask you to help. After the class, I will be giving a lot of homework. So ask your family member to help you on that one. I strongly recommend this activity. So your homework for the day is that go through all the question and answers. You may not understand, no doubt. No doubt you will not understand everything. Just try to understand as maximum as possible. Here multiple questions are here. Gopal, first question from Rema. Rema is asking that, is prior knowledge of programming language needed? It is not required, but nice to have. It is not required to know any language, because you will be doing the black box testing. Black box testing, what do you mean by black box testing, we will be discussing in future classes. It is not required to know any programming language, but nice to know. SQL is must. SQL database is must for everybody, all the testers. Gopal, one question. Is Selenium test automation becoming popular? Yes, definitely it is becoming popular, but market share is with HP tools. 70% companies are using the HP tools only. So if you want to learn Selenium, you have to learn it. Here you see we need to understand something. There are so many languages are there in the market, like Java, .NET, Java is there, Java language is there, .NET is there, and we also have C#. So many things are there. Is it required to learn everything? Every language? Developers normally will not learn every language available in the market. They stick to just only one language. Say Java, okay, they will go and do the job in Java only. They don't care of other competitors. .NET is their competitor, but they don't care. If they are Java developer, they stick to Java only. Similarly here, if you learn QTP, stick to QTP. Don't look at its competitors. Its competitor is Selenium. So, for example, Selenium is also upcoming. Selenium, if some job is there, you need to treat that, okay, Selenium is not the tool I have to learn, I know QTP, let me to apply QTP jobs only, just like Java guys. Java guys apply only for Java jobs. Right? Similarly, QTP, if you know QTP, apply to QTP only. Or however, if you know QTP If you know QTP, easy to learn Selenium. If you know Java, easy to learn .NET. If you know concept, it is easy to do other stuff. For example, you know the driving, you know how to drive a car. Driving, you are aware. If you know the driving, you don't care about the brand of the car. What is the make? Is it a Honda car, or it is a Toyota car? You don't care. Just you need to know how to drive a car. That's all. So if you learn one tool, it is easy to use other tools. Next question from Meenal. Will you provide course completion certificate at the end of the course? Yes, I can send it. But I still recommend you to go with certification given by internationally recognized organizations. No, it's not useful in the certificate whatever I give you. Nobody asked me to give my education certificate so far in North America. I have done so many certifications, but nobody asked. But still, if you write all the certifications in resume, it adds value. Employers can go and check in the online whether you completed that course or not. Certification is not required. How much is the cost of certification? Around $300 is the certification fee, approximately. Okay, Pushpa is asking how much time need required to finish the certification. Same 2 months. I am giving you one thumb rule. 2 months. 2 months is the rule for any kind of exam, any kind of certification, any academic clearance. Is that right? This is the rule framed by me. I think it was great, 2 months. Not the 2 months. I can say the 200 hours. I made a rule. I come up with some formula. 200 hours preparation is required for any certification course. Anything. 200 hours time is required. And the time, duration is within 2 months. Within 2 months, you need to complete 200 hours. Not 2 months to study, Pushpa, just you need to study 200 hours. 200 hours within 2 months. If you study 200 hours in 1 year, no, you cannot give. Okay, thank you, Gopal. Okay, guys, any other questions from today's class? Tomorrow we will start the actual class. Today, just I can say that it is a orientation session. We did not learn much subject, but it is, definitely it is required to discuss next 5 weeks. If you have any questions, you can call me back anytime tomorrow. So you are ready to go for it. That's perfect. From tomorrow onwards, we will start the actual subject. Okay, just we finished our time 10:15. So I'm done for the day. If you have any specific questions, you can ask me. Otherwise, we can meet tomorrow. Okay, all of you said good night. Okay, I'm also saying that good night, everybody. Have a great night and let us meet tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye. I will send the running notes to all of you people in few minutes. Thank you. Bye-bye.